Okay folks, we got one we want to show you here. 2015 Nissan Altima. If you keep up with our channel, it probably looks pretty familiar. We actually bought this car out of Copart, I want to say Atlanta West, and fixed it and sold it. But if you've got any questions, and if I've got some of the old video, I believe I do, I'll show you the car before and then after we fixed it and all that. I know there's a video on YouTube of it fixed, but all right, we got a 2015 Altima here, hitting this left front corner. See, it took a little bit of damage. We're gonna get pulled out. It's a nice little clean car. 50-odd thousand miles. Nice black insides, blow driver's bag. We're gonna get her fixed up. Okay, we got the 15 Altima up on the frame machine, got it hooked up, got it tied down by the pinch wells. The way you do these cars, when you put them up on the frame machine, you have to jack them up and you put these pinch well clamps. They bolt down to the frame machine and they bolt to the pinch well on the car and keep it from moving. That way, when you got it pulling on it, it won't move. And I guess you can see our cylinders went out, so we're having to use this chain hoist to do our pulling. We've got to send both our cylinders, see that, and it's off of it also. We've got to send them and get them built, or either get us some other cylinders. So it makes it a lot easier than trying to use this chain hoist, but right now we're doing with what we got because we got stuff to do. So anyway, Alan's been out here beating on it and pulling on it. He's got it coming out real nice. We'll have to replace this part all here, right here. But it's coming along. We'll probably have to put a K-member up under it. Looks like we'll do some measuring, but it might have knocked that corner back just a little. But we got it pulling along. Don't even really look like a car all apart, does it? But it's crazy how much different it makes. See where it busted the battery, so we'll have to clean all that acid up, make sure it don't eat through anything, check all our wires, make sure all our wires are repaired. But right now we're trying to get it pulled and in place. If you can see, it looks like that's got a little bit of bow too, and you can see where he's pulled the bolt out and it don't line up now. So when he gets it pulled out where it measures good, we'll take our new K-member and put up under there and everything will bolt up like it's supposed to. But like I said, 50,000 mile Altima is a very nice car. We'll keep going on it till we get it straight. Okay, so our little Altima's coming along. Alan's been working on it pretty steady. He's got everything pulled out on it. Got the new K-member up under it. Rails come out real nice. Got the crossbar on it, tie bar. New piece right here, fender, hood, trying to get everything lined up. We want to make sure everything lines up and the gaps are real nice before we get it off the frame machine. But it's coming along real good. K-member went right up under it just like it was supposed to. Turning out nice.
Ooh, I just got done spraying this silver Altima. Front bumper, rear bumper, fender, hood, fender, and that post. So we'll see what...
Like I said, right here, the Nissan is pretty much finished up, ready to send off the paperwork. Got everything back together on it, if you can hear me. Got it all back together, ready for the inspector. So we'll get the paperwork sent out off on it tomorrow, and hopefully the inspector will be out here for next week. We've got someone needing a little vehicle. This will make them a good one. It's around 50-something thousand miles, I believe it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. 2015 Nissan Altima, bought from Copart. was hit right here in this left corner. 256 garage, fixed it. New bumper, hood, fender, 2 new headlights. I think painted the lower panel here, painted the roof cell, the rear bumper cover, pulled it off, painted it. Alan detailed it, cleaned it up. 50,000 miles, almost 60, I think right at 57. See the insides here. Turned out real nice. Very nice car. Good tires all the way around. Like I said, was hit in this corner right here. Now look at that. Can you tell where it was hit at? No, you cannot. Little walk around. So it turned out real nice. For sale. Four-cylinder automatic, good gas mileage. Like I said, right at 57,000 miles. Oh man, she's a beauty. Sunroof, aluminum wheels. Check it out. She's a beauty. Look under the hood here. Oh, that's the fuel door. One hand don't work too good. There we go. Like I said, 4-cylinder car. Turned out real nice. Like I said, right there where it was hit, everything fixed. She's a beauty. Check it out. From 256 Garage to Auto Rebuilders. 2015 Nissan Altima, 50,000 miles. Like I said, you'll see if I can find it that it was hitting this corner right here. This rail. We put a hood, bumper cover, fender. I want to say repaired this side. You can see even the quarter panel. Somebody pulled out in front of them, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, like I said, if you've got any questions about buying a rebuilt car, previous salvage as they called it, because like I said, this car was wrecked and salvaged by the insurance company, and we bought it from an insurance auction and brought it and fixed it. But like I said, if you've got any question about one that's been rebuilt, well, right here is your answers. Like I said, it was hitting this side. You can see everything held up to the damage that we replaced, except for what got damaged. But the airbags, I don't know if I can open this door or not. Yeah, the airbags, they all deployed like they were supposed to. The driver's bag, the passenger's bag, the seat bag, see there, the curtain bag. And I'm not 100% sure. I don't believe we put a curtain bag or a seat bag in this because it was just hitting the front, but we did put the steering bag. And we had the module. We sent the module to my airbag and had the module rebuilt, what they call it. And you can see everything worked like it was supposed to. Young lady's okay. Car, not so much. I'm sure it will total. As you can see, it bent the wheel back here. Like I said, all I know for sure is someone pulled out in front of her, and it caused her to hit them pretty good in the front and then kind of spin around and hit the back too. You can see where their tire made some marks on it. I don't think there's no damage on the other side, but you can see how far it knocked this quarter panel in. Yeah, everything's pretty good on this side. But like I said, you can see how it knocked it far. This is supposed to be out to here. It's up under there. And then, like I said, the front end, probably can't get the hood up. But yeah, it's gonna come up. We replaced the inner tie bar, we put a new, well, a subframe, I guess you call it a K-member, out from under another Nissan. Put it up under there, repaired the frame rail and all that, and like I said, it's all bent now, but it held up like it was supposed to. The bags deployed like they was supposed to. It done its job still. So like I said, if you got any questions or concerns about a rebuilt title car, a previous salvage, if they're fixed right, they're just as good as one bought that's never had damage. The main thing is just looking at them, making sure they're fixed right. But anyway, like I said, we bought this in 256 Garage, repaired it, and ladies bought it, wrecked it, and looking for another car now. So, but anyway, like I said, rebuilt title, necessarily not a bad thing. Thanks everyone for watching. 256 Garage out.